Hi, I'm Maru. I'm a visual communicator and an artist. But perhaps before that, I've been a traveler of memory. For many years, I have tried to understand the invisible connection between human beings, history, art, pain. Every painting you see here belongs from that journey. Some paintings come from childhood memories, some from exile, some from the loss, and some paintings are from the strange silence that modern life leaves inside human soul. Art for me has never been a part of decoration. It has always been a conversation with a human spirit, with a human soul. This exhibition is part of a much larger dream called Indus the Thames, a festival where the ancient voice of the river Indus meets the modern world beside river Thames, a place where poetry, painting, theatre, music, storytelling come together, not to divide cultures, but to reconnect human beings. A place where painting, poetry, music, theatre, filmmaking, arts come together at one place, not dividing the cultures, but reconnecting human beings. Today, the world is more connected than even before, and yet people have never felt more alone. Indus to Thames is our attempt to resist the silence. The festival will bring together artists, poets, filmmakers, musicians, thinkers, and communities from different backgrounds, South Asian, British, and international, under one roof. There will be painting exhibitions, poetry recitals in Urdu, Punjabi, English, Saraiki, and Potawari, documentary screenings, culture conversations, music, and the stories will remind us who we are beneath border and fear. But dreams like this cannot survive without people. Art needs protection, culture needs guardians, and human stories need people willing to keep them alive. So this is why today I'm asking here for your support, not only for exhibition, not only for festival, but for a cultural bridge between people, for a space where future generations can still feel connected to beauty, memory, and culture. Your support will help us bring artists together, create public exhibitions, support young creators, and to produce new films and performances, and preserve cultural voices that are slowly disappearing in the noise of modern world. Every contribution, no matter how small, becomes a part of this living journey, because sometimes a painting can heal a memory, a poem can save a forgotten language, a song can reconnect generations, and a festival can remind people that they still belong to one another. So here I am to invite you to stand with us, to help us build something meaningful, something beautiful. This is more than an event, meeting of memory, meeting of rivers, meeting of souls. Thank you.